Hello everyone, I'm here today with Builders Service Company to teach you how to clean your vinyl siding. As with any outdoor structure, siding eventually collects dirt, grime, and mildew from exposure to the elements. To keep your siding looking nice, you'll want to give it a good clean at least once annually. The process is pretty simple. You'll need a bucket, a soft bristle brush, a garden hose, soap or detergent, and vinegar. Before you start, make sure you've closed all windows and doors and covered any outdoor electrical outlets. Once that's done, you should begin by rinsing thoroughly with the hose, working from top to bottom. Next, you'll need to apply a cleaning solution. We recommend a simple bucket of warm water mixed with a small amount of dish soap. If your vinyl siding is showing signs of mildew, add vinegar to your solution to help eliminate mold growth. Apply the cleaning solution to your soft bristle brush and scrub the siding. Do not use anything abrasive, as this can damage the siding. Work from the bottom up for the best results. Once you have successfully scrubbed the panels, give your siding another rinse with your garden hose, spraying from top to bottom. For more stubborn dirt, you may want to try using a pressure washer. However, you must be careful to only use a low pressure setting and a wide nozzle. High-powered pressure washing can damage or break siding panels. To keep your siding in top condition, be sure to repeat the cleaning process yearly. If you find your siding is damaged or in need of replacement, reach out to your local siding contractor. If you live in Western Washington, Builders Service Company is the leading vinyl siding contractor in the region, helping homeowners for over 50 years. For more information, visit builderservicecompany.com. Thank you.